Hello. So in this video, we're going to learn how to set up our Audible on a budget. So there are three tools we need to set up our Audible on a budget: Google Text-to-Speech Engine, Voice Aloud, and Easy PDF Reader. Let's go ahead straight to Play Store and download the three apps. So we'll start with Google TTS. As you can see, it's already installed. If in your case, if it's not installed, just click install and it will be installed. The next app is an app called Voice Aloud. Voice Aloud Reader. Here it is. Installed. If it's not installed, and it will be installed. As you can see, by the way, at Voice Aloud, there are several apps related to Voice Aloud, created by the sellers of Voice Aloud. This includes a tool to crop the PDF, a premium app to remove the ads, and several other apps. There's even an app that allows you to access copyright-free books. The last app is Easy PDF Reader. So this app, there's a trial version app that you can install first. It's available for free for 30 days. Then after that, you'll have to a specific amount to purchase the full version. Okay, so I'll tell you more in a bit why you need both Voice Aloud and Easy PDF Reader, and why in some instances you may just be fine downloading Voice Aloud. So let's open Voice Aloud. Here it is. You want to open a book using Voice Aloud. Click here. Navigate to where your book is. For example, this time around I want to read this book called Spam Wars, Infidelity, Sexual Conflict, and Other Bedroom Matters. But it's an awesome book. You should totally read it. I open the file, and the goodness with this app is that it processes the ebook. It removes the page numbers, the pages, the titles, so that when it's being read, it just flows smoothly. No hurry. So let me tell you something about Voice Aloud. The good thing with it is that you can adjust the reading speed all the way from slow all the way to ×4. So for example, let's see when it's really slow.
Sperm Wars final score. Life. He could remember only one fate.
Now this is
Once again,
normal speed.
the old woman smiled her one-tooth smile.
This is two
Deep in her
times normal
stomach.
speed.
Deep in her stomach, the pain that was now her constant companion was temporarily eclipsed by the sheer pleasure of...
Personally, I am able to listen to audiobooks at 3.85 times normal speed comfortably. And this, by the way, this did not happen at once. So I slowly started listening at normal speed, increased it to 2, increased it to 3, and now it's 3.85. You also should do the same. Start slowly. Start at normal speed, move to 2, move to 3.85, and soon. The advantage with listening to audiobooks with a fast pace is that you'll be able to go through books at an alarming rate. You can read 10 books. You can read a book a day, 2 books a day, easily. So this allows you to get more information. Trust me, I know that speed sounds fast, but it's actually, I can listen to it normally. Okay, so the other app, Easy PDF. Why do you need Easy PDF whilst you already have Voice Aloud? So Easy PDF, you need Easy PDF because Easy PDF is able to read large books, reference book materials. So Voice Aloud is ideal for small books, self-help books, anywhere between 0 to 500 page books. But when you get into 10,000 page books, it won't work. The processing just takes too long and it's too slow. So this Easy PDF does not process the files. It's just there. So for example, I bought the Easy PDF because there's a medical course I'm taking, and from time to time I have to read huge reference medical books. Like this page is like 10,000 pages long. So in this case, I open it. It's just normal the way it is. Tap here voice and it starts reading. Similarly here, you get to play around with the speed. So it's a very high speed. I started listening at a slow rate, and I was slowly able to ramp up the speed to this level right now. Well, that's it, folks. Thank you. Now you know how to set up an Audible on a budget. In the next step, I'll teach you where to get free PDF, any book you want, free. Thank you.